Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Fold4, and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into safe mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications, extend it, and click on this power button right here. And when you see your boot options, hold power off. This will then change into safe mode, so tap on it again, and this will reboot the device. When it boots back up, it will be in safe mode. Now I will warn you right now that when booting your device into safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will work and not even all of them. And the reason for that is so you can troubleshoot your phone. If you have some kind of problems caused possibly by some app, you can boot into this mode and hopefully you can get rid of it without any kind of further problems. So anyway, gonna wait for this to actually boot up. So there we go. And you can see there is our safe mode. Unlock the device. You can also see that the widgets don't work right here. And there's probably some apps, there we go, that will not work. So you can see Facebook, tips will not work. And I believe the Galaxy web browser also didn't work, but it looks like it just completely disappeared from the phone. So that's a little bit weird. But yeah, so any app that you have installed will not be able to run, as you can see, and some of them that already come with the device also are disabled in here. So anyway, this is how you boot into this mode. Now to leave it, you'll just get back to the boot options and select restart. The device will reboot, and when it boots back up, it goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.